Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we just finished the CCA CSN review. So we're gonna do a 5-way hybrid sound test with all the popular 2-driver hybrids here in this channel. So it's mostly sub $20 range, but I did put the Lark inside because I have seen a lot of questions on the Lark versus other hybrids. Of course, for me, over other $20 hybrids, the CSN is one of my favorites, but still it will fall to your preference. Each of them still have their own pros and cons, and let's start the sound test now.
Should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And